Hey you, have you ever wanted to restore a black and white photo? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Quinton's Quick Tips tutorial. As I was saying earlier, you're in the right place if you want to restore your black and white photos. We're on the website right now and it's called imagecolorizer.com. Basically, this website just turns black and white photos into colorized photos. So let's get started. As you can see in the center, that this is where we upload our photos. And down here you see less than 4 megabytes and supports JPEGs and PNGs. Sweet. So what that means is your file size has to be less than that. Most photos these days only goes around kilobytes, so you're safe as. So let's click on this icon right here and upload our photo. We're gonna upload this black and white photo of Q, looking cool, and then we're gonna hit open. Now you can see down here that we got our photo name and then our size and then start and cancel. Another thing to keep in mind is that stronger your computer is, faster will render out. So let's hit start. We'll be doing the uploading, then the processing, then it should be easy to download. Cool. That's pretty fast. We're gonna hit download. We'll open another tab of the photo, and as you can see, we give some color to our face, hands, and also our shirt as well. If we zoom in, we do see mistakes, like as in we see his color skin on our shirt. There's some dark areas in the eyes as well. But basically that's pretty cool. It's quite smart, and if we look at the image next to it, you see a big difference right there. So yeah, nice. I hope you enjoyed that quick video. If you want to fix those flaws, head over to our page and you can see the full video there. Peace.